everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Teresa, and I am so happy today to show you and share with you the Couture house cutouts in the house pattern. And so they do come in the pack of 2, and they're the same on either side. Here is the transfer. Now they do come on a large sheet, and you just cut them out. And so I just wanted to quickly show you the few things that they have. So they have like a heart, they have some windows, they have a door, and then they have some like decorations and things like that, like a wreath and some leaves, just so you can decorate however you please. And of course these can always be done on other things. Then they have these two. One says Home Sweet Home, and the other one says Love Makes Our House a Home. We have one that says Family, and then some backgrounds as well. And so if you've noticed that I've labeled them, it's because I know which backing sheet goes back on, because these are reusable transfers. So what we're going to use today, we're going to use, I labeled it H2 for House 2. I'm going to use Family, and then I'm going to use Love Makes Our House a Home. And the colors I'm using today, so the Chalkology paste that I'm using today is Storm, and then I'm using Black Velvet. And so I'm just going to give them just a little stir here. Now everything is found on my website, which is in the link below. And what we're going to start with, I'll start with the house pattern. So I'm just going to put this to the side. And I'll grab my fuzzing sheet here. And the reason for fuzzing, just if you're new to Chalk Couture, is because our transfers, we don't want to ruin our transfers because they are really sticky. And it just helps to unstick them a little bit. And it's just easier to pull them up once we've chalked on it. So I'm just going to line this up here. I swear this is the longest part for me, is just lining everything up. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I don't want it to be. Like have some on this side and not have some on that side. So now I'm just going to press it all the way down. Make sure that there's no air bubbles in there, so then there's no bleeding. And then I'm going to take my small squeegee, and I'll just dip it in some of my paste and just go ahead and paste onto my house cutout. So I'd love to see what you think, or love to hear what you think in the comments. So make sure you leave me some comments and some likes if you're liking this project. I'd really appreciate that. I'd also really appreciate it if you would subscribe if this is your first time to my channel. And if it's not the first time to my channel, thank you so much for returning. I hope you enjoy the videos that I put out there for you guys. And watching me make beautiful home decor, which you guys can do the same as well. Which again, like I said, everything is linked at the bottom. The colors, the project, the transfers, everything will be linked at the bottom for you. And so here we go. So we're just going to pull that up. And there we go. Isn't that cute? Look how cute that design is. So I'm going to leave this just to the side because I'm going to put Love Makes Our Home a House, or sorry, Love Makes Our House a Home on top of that. So I'll just put that to the side and let that dry. And we're going to do family on this one. The cute thing about this too, what I really like, is that if you do it on a larger surface, you can do something really creative and put this on a larger surface, and then you can put like a picture of you and your family. So now we're just going to peel this up to reveal it. And even though there's just a little bit that has been, there was probably a little chunk in there and that I didn't notice, but that's okay. So what you can do, you can always go back in and you can fill it up, but I actually kind of like that it's a little bit distressed. I like distressing and things like that. So we'll put this one to the side now. I really love that one. And then, so this is nice and dry now. The paste really dries quickly. And so I'm gonna put this on top. And grab my mini squeegee again, and then I'll just chalk right over here. I did grab a little too much. You don't really need very much. A little goes a long way with this stuff. So if you haven't already, and you're really enjoying what you're seeing, I would really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell as well, because then it will tell you every time I upload a video. And then also, I'd love to hear what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what you think of the project. And here we go. And there we go. Love makes our house a home and family. And by the end of this, I will definitely, by the end of this video, you'll see a picture of how I've staged it and where I put this in my home. So again, thank you so much for watching today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you if you're returning. I really appreciate you returning back to my channel and watching my videos. I do try to upload every Monday, so be sure to stay tuned in. I will try to start posting more than once a week, but right now it's going to be every Monday. And so make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell so that you make sure that you don't forget, but you don't miss anything, any of my videos. And if Couture is something that you're interested in looking into, regardless if you are in Canada or the US, make sure you go down to the link below and you can take a look at all the information there is to offer. So I want to leave you off with a little quote of the day, and that is, never give up on the things that make you smile. So I hope you're smiling, and I hope you're having a great day, and we will talk to you soon.